Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into a pressing issue that has been making waves in Jamaica and among Jamaicans worldwide. The Trump administration has expressed opposition to Jamaica's collaboration with Cuba's medical program, alleging that it involves human trafficking and forced labor practices. Claims that both Cuba and Jamaica have officially denied. U.S. officials have pressured Caribbean nations, including Jamaica, to discontinue these medical missions, suggesting that failure to comply could result in visa restrictions for Jamaicans' officials and their families.
Do it. Don't you dare do it, yeah? Don't cut ties with Cuba because a certain set of persons until we say I try for bad way up until we say what we can do. And you have to remember say when sickness take on them, a Cuba send them people them to come heal with. A Cuba I send the doctors and nurses them to every single to make sure that we are provided the services that we cannot afford to provide in our own countries. Cuban doctors are top tier, and the best thing about it is they are getting paid. So what kind of trafficking you not talk about? I must say traffic light you must say I refer to, because it couldn't be Cuba was literally this with Jamaica cut ties because certain set of persons don't even provide that medical care that we need in the.
In response, the US is considering imposing a visa restriction on Jamaicans involved in the program. The situation puts Jamaica in a tough spot, don't you think? Continuing to benefit from Cuba's medical assistance or risk relations with the US. Jamaica has relied on Cuban medical professionals for decades to fill gaps in the healthcare system. Ending this partnership could lead to staffing shortages, especially affecting patient care and public health. The Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tofton, has initiated discussions on the potential impact of US policies on the Cuban medical mission. As of now, there is no indication that the US intends to offer a replacement for the Cuban medical professionals who have been an integral part to Jamaica's healthcare system. The US has historically been the destination for many Jamaicans seeking better opportunities. However, recent developments have caused concern. Reports indicate that approximately 5,120 Jamaicans with questionable positions are targeted for removal in raids by the US Immigration and Custom Enforcement, ICE as we're familiar with. This has led to fear and uncertainty within our communities at home and abroad. So, Jamaicans worldwide, we want to hear from you. Given these developments, how do you feel about the US stance on our medical collaboration with Cuba? Does the current climate in the US affect your aspiration or decision to migrate or travel there? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As we've seen, Trump has been deporting many people from America, and living in America is not easy for many. So what is your choice? Cut ties with Cuba or keep up the fight to go to America to live the American dream, which, in my opinion, does not exist. It's a complex situation. While Cuban medical program has been the pillar of Jamaica healthcare system, the potential strain on the US-Jamaica's relation cannot be ignored. Also, the increasing challenges faced by Jamaicans in the US raise valid concerns about migration decisions. It is crucial for our leaders to navigate these issues thoughtfully, prioritizing the well-being of citizens both at home and abroad. I mean, we have to think about the economic situation. Replacing Cubans' medical profession would necessitate significant investment in recruiting and training local doctors and nurses, even though that would not be a bad thing. This transition could strain Jamaica's healthcare budget, potentially diverting funds from other essential public service. The US Travel Advisory, which currently urges Americans to reconsider visiting Jamaica due to the high crime rate, has already affected tourism. Further strain in diplomatic relations could exacerbate this issue, leading to reduced tourist arrivals and associated revenues. The Cuban medical program has been instrumental in providing specialized healthcare, such as eye surgery, to the population. Discontinuing this partnership could result in thousands lacking critical healthcare services, potentially leading to increased morbidity and healthcare disparities. Many Jamaican families have members residing in the US. The threat of deportation adds to the stress to these communities, affecting mental health and social cohesion. It's crucial to distinguish between individual based on immigration status and criminal records to ensure fair treatment and support. Jamaica's decision could also influence its long-standing with the Caribbean community. Aligning with US policies might strengthen ties with Washington, but could strain relations with other Caribbean nations that view the Cuban program favorably. As the situation unfolds, it's essential for Jamaicans to stay informed and engaged. This decision made today will shape Jamaica's future in healthcare, economy, and international relations. So, guys, as I said earlier, we're encouraging Jamaicans both at home and abroad to share their perspectives. How do you feel about the potential changes in the medical partnership? What impact do you foresee on the communities and families? What is more important to you? Going to America or having a good medical healthcare system that would not exist in Jamaica without the help of the Cubans? Looking at Trump's behavior, some might say he's a dictator. Some might say he's an authoritarian personality trying to control the world. Is he trying to control Jamaica? Is he trying to destroy Jamaica? And so he eventually can have control of Jamaica's resources? What do you think, guys? Join the conversation in the comment below and let's look at this together. So for more updates and in-depth discussions on topics like these, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your engagement helps us bring you content that matters most. So until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. One love.